Hello friends, my name is Abhishek and today in this video I am going to discuss about how to select an image that is unable to be selected. So friends, this is the image that I have text wrapped behind and now I am unable to select this image. So guys, whenever you face any such problem, you just have to visit for home tab and at the end you just find editing tab and you have to click on select option. You will find second option select objects. When you click on select objects option, you just have to bring your mouse cursor in front of that particular image and you can see that the selection for or the move icon for this image is activated now. So this area is activated for selection now and you just have to click on this particular image. You can move from here and there, and when you click on this particular image, the option for format will be activated here. You just have to click on format option and go for arrangement block or arrange block and click on text wrapping, and you can choose in front of text for this image, and now your image is freely to move.